Uh, this is a sharpener I got off of Amazon. It's to sharpen chainsaw chains with. Of course, I done a little uh, engineer to it, and I sharpened my Woodley Mills band blade for my Woodley Mill with it, and it does a real good job. Real good job. I think I gave less than $100 for the uh, sharpener.
How often do you have to sharpen your blades?
I usually run them about 2 hours before they get dull. You know, if you're cutting a lot of wood. But me, I don't cut that much at a time. I mean, I'm not running mine, you know, the whole straight time. So
How many sharpens can you get out of a blade?
probably about 3, maybe 4.
Why'd you choose to go with this setup?
Cheap. For automatic sharpener, they're pretty high, and it's money that I didn't have at the time, still don't have. And this does just as good. You just can't put it on here and walk off. You have to do it manually.
How long does it take you to sharpen a blade?
Not that long. Probably about, I could do it in 10 minutes. And these blades here are the shoot. What are I forgot the name of my blades? River 37 from Jerry's Resharp. They're real good blades. That's the first time they've been sharpened. These blades.
I guess how many blades do you sharpen at a time? Like
how? I usually sharpen 3 or 4 at a time, which I've not sharpened none in a while, so I got a bunch of them. But I'm running short of new blades, so.
How do you know when it's time to sharpen your blades?
Well, when you go down to push your sawmill, when it goes slowing down going through the wood, and it's not as smooth, the wood's not, ain't as smooth when you cut it, and it'll start waving on you if you don't watch it. I usually pay attention to the sawdust mine throwing out and how hard it is to push it through the wood. You don't want to take too much off at a time. One of these days I'm going to get me a automatic sharpener.
So all the automatic sharpeners the same, or do some brands have better ones? Or
You can get really nice ones. Some of them are just different than others on price wise. Some of them are more advanced. I was going to buy Woodland Mills sharpener. They got two different ones. They got one that sharpens 28 teeth, I think, per minute, and it uses a different kind of rock, grinding rock on it. It gets the gullet and everything all at the same time.
I never ran one, but really, how I guess how reliable really are those automatic ones? You know what I'm saying?
I mean, I really don't know because I've never had one. You talking about far as how good they sharpen?
Well, that getting all of it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I guess they do pretty good. I know that sharpening your own blade save you a lot of money.
I mean, do you have to sharpen your own blades? Could you not take them somewhere?
Around here, it's not really no good place to take them. But yeah, you can send them off, have them resharpened, but then you gotta cost you to have them shipped. You know, I'm trying to do it the most cost-effective way for me. Just seeing how sharp the teeth are.
You're not worried about cutting your finger?
Not too bad. Man, taking things coming off.
Well, you have Rick and they just can't pop out.
Yeah, and these things, I advise y'all never buy plastic ones because these ain't worth a darn. Ain't worth a darn. And right there is broke. I'm sorry.
Are you offering blade sharpening, bandsaw blade sharpening services?
No, I'm not. No. Nope, only for myself.
How do you know when you're done sharpening?
Uh, you'll be able to see the ones you sharpened, last one you sharpened.
I was saying, how you tell the difference?
Well, look at that tooth right there. See how shiny it is? Look at this next tooth. It ain't shiny. I ain't sharpened that one yet. That's been sharpened. You can tell by the grinding marks.
You have any tips for somebody who needs to sharpen bandsaw blades and wants to do it manually like you?
Just find you a good grinder. Good cheap grinder. I mean, good but cheap. Cheapest one you can buy. Because you're paying for the name on a lot of that stuff anyway. It's no better. The organ, just like this one, is about $400 or $500. And look about the same as these. This has got the aluminum housing and all that. Does the same thing as that organ's going to do for a fraction of the cost. How far have I got?
I'm not as well versed as you on being able to tell the difference between the.
Huh?
I'm not as well versed as you being able to tell the difference between
I can see around there anyway.
It looks like you're just about done.
Yeah, I know what I meant when I get to it. But I was just wondering if you could see how far I was.
Did you ever count the teeth on these things? I can't remember.
No. It's a bunch of them. Yeah, there's the end right there.
That was a little over 15 minutes, but of course I did stop you. You had a little technical difficulties.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to add about the grinding experience, sharpening experience?
Just take your time and learn how to do it, because it'll be cheaper on you in the long run, in my experience. Because you can, like I said, sharpen them at least 3 times a piece if you're buying good blades, you know.
What blades do you recommend?
Well, I personally like these, but you know, everybody has their own preference. Wood-mizer makes a good blade. I didn't know till the other day. I got to looking. Wood-mizer actually makes the blades that Woodley Mill uses.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Sure do. Put that in the here, hold that. Ah! Well, yeah, that's one. Okay, that's not going to work, Angelica. I didn't tell you to hook it on that. Push that board back. It's out of balance. Push it.
Oh,
Okay.
all the while I cut myself.
Huh?
All the while I cut myself.
What in the door? It looked like I hit something with it.